Hi everyone, my name's Allison Grosz. I'm an attorney and a partner with Hemrick O'Malley, PLLC in New York City. Today I want to talk about a rather sensitive topic, and importantly, it's a public service announcement or a PSA about people's rights at USCIS offices during interviews. Let's talk about this for a second. As an attorney, we have a lot of prospective clients and also clients who come to us, and they tell us lots of interesting stories about things that happen during their USCIS interviews. If you are at an interview, whether you are by yourself or whether you are with an immigration attorney or a legal representative, it's important that you understand your rights. In New York, we have a common saying: if you see something, say something. The same thing goes with any USCIS interview. If you are at an interview, whether it is with a USCIS field office or whether it's at the USCIS asylum office or any ICE office or for any other immigration matter, there is a certain decorum or behavior that the interviewing officers are supposed to undergo. And generally, it's pretty standard stuff. They're supposed to be somewhat polite. They don't have to be the nicest people in the world, but they have to be professional. If an officer who's interviewing you is making you uncomfortable for any reason, you must say something. And you don't have to say something directly to that officer. You can ask calmly and politely to speak with the officer's supervisor. Under no circumstances should an immigrant in the United States or their family members ever be made to feel uncomfortable or at risk for any reason when they are in a USCIS interview. Now, I know a lot of people are concerned because with the Trump administration, a lot of people are now concerned, and it's been popularized in the media, that people are being picked up by ICE at their various immigration interviews. Now, these happenings are not as common as the media would have you believe and as everybody thinks. And just because this is happening for some people around the country does not mean it's going to happen to you, first of all. And secondly, it doesn't mean that an interviewing USCIS officer can treat you in or behave in whatever way they want. There is a professional standard that they have to meet. It is extremely important that if you do not feel comfortable during an interview, if you feel scared or threatened by the officer for any reason, you should insist on speaking with that officer's supervisor. Again, as I said previously, politely and calmly, but this is so important. More often than not, the supervisor can help diffuse the situation, can help make you feel better, and in some circumstances can actually have you rescheduled for another interview if it's necessary. And sometimes it does become necessary. I hope this information helps people feel a little bit more confident and a little more empowered in their own rights at USCIS interviews. Remember, we here at Hemrick O'Malley, PLLC, we represent immigrants across the board in every kind of immigration matter, and we always want to empower our clients or immigrants in general to be able to stand up for themselves and their own rights. And of course, we always stand up for our clients' rights when we see something happening that should not be happening. You can feel free to call us at 833-848-7838 or find us online at hemrick.law to discuss this or any other immigration matter. Until next time, I look forward to speaking to everyone soon.